Hello everyone, my name is Joana Vergara Padilla. I'm 34 years old. I live in Poloneo, Magdalena. With respect to this course, I have know the different regulation, different guidelines specified by the regulation of pedagogical practice process. This document related all the requirements specified by UNAT. I understand that this document it is important for me. It is important for me taking into account that my role of teacher in training into the educative institution. As a teacher in training, I must know that the requirements specified in this document, because according my teaching practice into the classroom, I must be able to identify different characteristics of the students, and also not just how related with the students into the classroom. It is but it is important for me to know my skills, my performance, my strengths, my weaknesses, to develop teaching practice. I consider that document specify different regulations, different guidelines. For example, in this document is related some articles in which it defines the respective registration of the practice course without any contemplation of teaching experience previously acquired. Also, in some articles are related all the activities of pedagogical practice have been developed in the training site assigned by UNAT.